Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So, this is the first time I'm doing it live. So, let me share the screen and share. Okay. I hope you are able to see it, right? Salman Nahrab, it's fine here. I'm not here to shout out your names. Okay. Good. You're able to see me, right? Okay, good. So, uh, मेरा मेरा phone दो. Aye, give me 1 second. Good. So now, students, today we are going to see about quadratic equations. Okay. Since, as you know, I'm writing on the screen, so it may be a little bit slanting. And if you have any query, just yeah, that's good. Come on. Yes, it may be lagging for some time. Have some patience and let us discuss our problems. बेटे ऐसे बंद कर दो. So इसमें chat. So how to enable chat in mobile? Yeah, suppose I am okay. I want to see the chat. Yeah, good. Yes, now I am able to see it. माशाल्लाह बहुत सीखने को मिल रहा है यार. Yeah. But if uh, whoever it is that is gaming, if I see on, I cannot see on laptop because I'm writing on the screen, right? So anyway, let us see quadratic equations. So what are quadratic equations? Quadratic equations are the equations where the degree is 2. That is why we call it as quadratic. And what are equations? Where you can find out equal to in between. So the constant, the standard form, this is very important. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Students, yeah, if you have genuine doubt, then go with messaging. Otherwise, do not focus. And Mehrab, don't focus to write anything on the message until and unless I ask you, because time waste होता है बेटा. आप लोगों का फोकस पूरा वो लाइव चैट पे रहता है, समझे? तो so please don't go with it. Now, good. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. So is quadratic equation में what we do? Either quadratic equation में we solve the equations. So first thing is we solve the equations, and next concept in this quadratic equation is to know the nature of the roots. See, why we see nature of the roots? The only thing is, if we see nature of the roots, we can easily know whether they are real or not real. Okay, if it is real, then we can directly we can go on with finding. So solving, there are two methods. One is by factorizing. Okay, factorizing, and the next one is using formula. So factorizing, you already know, we use in factorizing identities or by splitting the middle terms, and the formula. So this is very important. It is, the formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula to uh, tries and to to solve the equations. Is it right? Now, see, in this you can see you can see b square minus 4ac. We call this b square minus 4ac as discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant because it shows us whether it is, whether the nature, whether the roots are real or not real, understood, or whether they are equal roots. So that is why we call it as a discriminant, which discriminates, understood. So now let us go back. So these are the things which we see, and after that, the most important thing is applications. Okay, I'm writing, my video is covering, I think. Okay, the next thing is applications. Good. Now let us see problems one by one. So yeah, solve the quadratic equation x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So students, what did I tell you? First, whenever we go for solving quadratic equation by factorization, what you are supposed to do? We have to see its coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is 1, if it is 1, so then directly take the constant and factorize. So we know it is 1 tens are 10. Okay. So when we add 1 plus 10 is 11. So we don't have, when we add, it is not, it is 11, and it doesn't satisfy the middle term. So when we subtract or when you find difference, it is 9. But this also not satisfies. So what is the next one? 2 5s are 10. And when I add these two, is the middle term satisfied? Yes, it is satisfied. So therefore, that 7x can be written as 2x plus 5x. So let me write. So it is x square, that implies x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Now let me take the first two terms. What are the first two terms? X square plus 2x. If you have any doubt in taking the common terms, so take x square as x into x and 2x as 2 into x. Now what are common, my dear students? X is common. So that implies x, when I take it common, what is left out? X plus 2. Now in the same way, let us take 5 into x and 10. How can you write it as 2 into 5? Okay, which is common over here? 5. So when I take 5 common, what is left out? X plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore that implies what is common over here? X plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 is equal to 0. When we have two terms and when they are when the product is equal to 0, that implies x plus 2 is equal to 0 and or x plus 5 is equal to 0. It can be both. So x is equal to minus 2 comma minus 5. So this we have done using factorization. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, I have seen two students, mashallah. I don't know the name, and Salman, and who is the other one? Yes, oh, what is that? Something fired. Okay, yes, you got the answer. Good, good, good. Now let us do the same thing using the formula x square plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. See, whenever we take x square, whenever we have to solve it using quadratic, using the formula, so let us compare it with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, if he has not given how to solve the problem, you can use any way. You can use even the formula. Okay. So now what is a here? A is the coefficient of x square 1. And what is b? B is the coefficient of x 7. And what is c? C is equal to 10. See, whatever method I am telling you, you can even, sorry, you can use it. You can even use it to find out the nature of the roots also. Okay, follow the steps one by one. Now, discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So that is equal to what is b? 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10. So now what is 7 square? 49 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. So D is equal to 9. Okay, since discriminant is greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, what are the roots? Come on, my dear students. What are the roots? Very good, Mehrab. Real and unequal. Real and unequal. Okay, now how to find out x? So therefore, let us take x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, what is minus b? It is minus 7 plus or minus square root of, no need to do all b square minus 4ac as we have done it. Okay, as we have done it. Okay, good. So b square minus 4ac is 9 divided by 2 multiplied by what is a? 1. So let me write it over here. Minus 7 plus or minus what is square root of 9? Square root of 9 is 3. Is it right? So divided by 2. So now you have two options. So x is equal to minus 7 plus 3 by 2 and minus 7 minus 3 by 2. So that equals, what is minus 7 plus 3? Minus 4 divided by 2. And minus 7 minus 3, since both are negative, we have to add them. So minus 10 by 2. So what is minus 4 by 2? Minus 2. And 2 ones are 2, 2 fives. So it is minus 5. Understood? Follow these steps. So you practice. Students, after this class, please, please, I will send you the questions separately. All the questions, whichever we have discussed, please practice them. Okay. Mathematics, you will not learn only by just by seeing, you will not understand. You have to do it by your own. Good, Abdurrahman. Thank you. Sir, send in 10N also. Who is that, my dear students? I don't know. 10N. How to send? I don't have the link. See, I'm sharing you in the chat. Okay. I'm sharing you in the chat. You can send it. Okay. Uh, I don't know how to send. Because I'm not there in your group. So if you want, you can send. Salman, don't worry about their names and who are the students. Now listen. So let us see the next one. For the value of P, students, these questions are being asked in the previous examinations. Okay. So I'm not doing it by myself. They are taken from examinations. Okay. But hey, whoever is doing, please don't waste your time. So that reactions, whenever I ask it, Ilya, you give me reactions, but now no need. So these are previously asked questions in boards. Understood? So now find what is the next question? Find the value of P if the following quadratic equation has equal roots. Now, what is the condition for equal roots? Condition for equal roots. I didn't get any answer till now. Equal roots. Yes, Mehrab. So D should be equal to 0. So D is equal to good, Abdurrahman. So now, what is discriminant? Discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. And before doing it, you have to write one thing. So I have forgot the step. So the first step is which I am going to write it in green. Okay, good, Zaim, Michelle, mashallah, good. So what is you have to write A B C, right? So what is A? What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Students, if you know the standard form also for every problem, please write it. Okay, until you complete your boards, because once you write, you will never forget during examinations. Even if you are practicing every question, you write. So ax square plus bx plus c. Now tell me, what is the Quran Kareem by Saad Ahmad? Yes, I'll come back to you. Whenever I ask you, send me the question, because I think I have some questions. Uh, if you send it to me now, the chat will, what is that called as, go up and I cannot find out the question. Okay. I'll ask you, Saad Ahmad. So now A is what? The coefficient of x square. Here in the given problem, x square coefficient is 4. And what is B? Coefficient of x. It is minus of P minus 2. Okay. See, I can make it simple. So minus, if I transpose inside, it will be 2 minus P. I can make it, but don't make it. Okay. Now C is equal to, what is C? Constant 1. So now find out B square minus 4AC. Okay. And we have been told that condition for equal roots is equal to discriminant should be equal to 0. So let us equate it to 0. And what is b square? Minus of p minus 2 whole square minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1. Is it right? So that is equal to, here square of minus is what? Plus, so p minus 2 whole square. It is p square minus 4p plus 4. If anybody have doubt, please ask me. Okay. So minus 16. So 0, that implies 0 equals p square minus 4p minus 12. Now, uh, what are the now since the what is that? Yes, Salman. What is how? If you have doubt, send me. Send me in what's clearly or how 4p. But p minus 2 whole square. See, p minus 2 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. That is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a, it is p square minus 2 times what is a? P into what is b? 2 plus b square is 2 square, 4. So that implies p square minus 4p plus 4. Understood, Salman? Good, 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 good. So now p square minus 4 is 4p minus 12. Now it is a quadratic equation. So now let us see, since the coefficient of p square is 1, take minus 12. What are the factors? 1 12 are 12. You will not find out the middle term because 1 plus 12 is 13 and 12 minus 1 is 11. So let us go with the next one. 2 6 are 12. Yes, 2 6 are 12. 2 plus 6 is 8. You don't have middle term. But 6 minus 2 is 4. We have the middle term over here. So, but it is negative. So we have to keep negative sign somewhere. So since it is negative, let us keep the negative sign before bigger number. So 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. It is also satisfied. And 2 minus 6 is minus 4p. So you can write the middle term as 2p minus 4p. Am I right? Chalo, let us write the same. That is equal to 0 equals p square minus 4p. 4p, how will you? 4p you will write it as plus 2p minus 4p minus 12. Now, what is common in this first two terms? First two terms, what is common? Let us see in rough. P square, will you write it as p into p? And 2p, you write it as 2p. Okay. And p gets cancelled. So that is equal to p gets cancelled. Sorry, p is common. Now, what is left out? P plus 2. And now, what are the next two terms? Next two terms are minus 4p minus 12. So minus 2 into 2 into p, and minus 12 you write it as minus 2 into 2 into 3, which is common, minus 2 into 2. That means minus 4 is common. When I take minus 4 common, what is left out? What is left out? Yeah, sorry, it is 60. Yeah. Nobody told me. Nobody told me. Yeah, 6p, 6p, 6p. No, 6p. It is 6p. Okay. So 6p means 2 into 3. So which is common? Only minus 2 is common. So minus 2, if I take common, what is left out? 3p. And here what is left out? 6. No, somewhere we are doing mistake. Wait, I'll do it now. Now, see, understood. See, it can be written as minus 2p and minus 6p. Minus 6p minus 12, right? What is common in minus 6p? Minus 6 into p. And minus 12, it can be written as minus 2 into 6. Now tell me what is common? Minus and 6. So minus 6 when I take, it will be p plus 2. Now in these two terms, which one is common? P plus 2 is common. That is equal to p plus 2, that is equal to p plus 2 multiplied by p minus 6. So therefore, it is equal to 0, right? So therefore, p plus 2 is equal to 0 and p minus 6 is equal to 0. So therefore, p is equal to minus 2 or plus 6. So this is how we found. 6 is common. Yes, Mehrab. Okay. Good, Salman. Now, let us go to the next question. I hope everybody understood it. So let us see. Read the question. For what values? Yes, Mehrab. Yes. Uh, for what values of alpha, quadratic equation 3 alpha x square minus 6 plus 1, 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real roots. Yes, Prithvi, how are you? I hope Prithvi is fine. And now, yes, I'll give you 2 minutes. Sorry, 1 minute. Do this problem. It has no real roots. Yes, let me complete these questions. And once it is completed, you can ask me doubts. Okay. And you can send the link to others also if anybody is interested. Okay. Come on, my dear students. Yes. 40 seconds left. Where is Mehrab? Did you complete? Uh, One confirmed question. Who is that Islamic insight? Is it Saad? If you are here, anyone, not only Saad, if you are here for confirmed questions of examination, so then you are wasting my time. Okay. Who is then Islamic insights? If it is not Islamic insight, somebody. Islamic insights. I don't remember who is this. Fine. Michelle. Okay, Fayaz. Okay, Michelle. Thank you. So now let us see within 2 minutes. Whenever you have anything like this, what is the constant standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now can anybody tell me what is a? A is equal to 3 alpha and b is equal to 6 minus 6, sorry, and c is equal to 1. And he has given, good, Salman. Oh, he has given that quadratic equation has no real roots. So what is the condition for no real roots? So condition for no real roots. What is the condition? So why 3 alpha? Mehrab, what is the coefficient of x square? It is 3 alpha, my dear. Yeah, pick. Yes, you are right. And discriminant should be less than 0. And what is discriminant? B square minus 4ac should be less than 0. What is b? Minus 6 whole square minus 4 times a is 3 alpha plus, sorry, into what is c? 1. It is less than 0. Implies minus 6 whole square is 36. 3s are 12 alpha is less than 0. Implies since I need alpha, transpose 36 to other side. So it will be minus 12 alpha is less than 0 minus 36 is minus 36. So transpose minus 12, it is in multiplication. So when I transpose, it goes to division. Okay. So that implies alpha is less than minus and minus gets cancelled. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So in order to have no real roots, so alpha should be less than 3. Beta, it is not 3. It is not 3, Salman. And who is the answer? Yeah, that picture. Who is that? SCX pick. So it is alpha is less than 3. So that means for all values of less than 3, if we take all values less than 3, then the quadratic equation will have no real roots. No, it cannot be 4. It should be less than 3. It should be less than 3. Alpha should be less than 3. Okay. Now, next question. If the sum of roots of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 2k plus 1 minus k plus 5 is equal to 0, is there any? I think it is 2k plus 1 into x. There is a small mistake. I think so because I have taken from one of the question bank. Uh, okay. If the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square plus 2k plus 1 into x minus k plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to product of the roots. So what he has given here, what sum of roots is equal to product of roots. Sum of roots is equal to product of roots. Now, what is sum of roots, my dear students? What is the formula for sum of roots? That means alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. You don't know sum of roots formula. So you don't have alpha and beta. So therefore, can I take it as what is sum of roots? Minus b by a is equal to product of roots is c by a. Now, before going to this step, let us write what is a. A is 3. And what is b? 2k plus 1. And what is c? Minus of k plus 5. Okay. Now, beta it is equal to, because if the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is equal to product of the roots. Okay. It is product of the roots. Minus b by a is equal to c by a. Okay. So that implies what is minus b? Minus of 2k plus 1 divided by a. You have 3 is equal to c by a. What is c? Minus of k plus 5 divided by a. Now what happened, my dear students? Now, sorry, what is a? A is 3. Now since we have one term, can I cancel k and k? Yes, I can. So what is left out? And minus also gets cancelled. Yes, we can cancel because they are the denominator is common for whole numerator. So therefore you can cancel. So what is left out? 2k plus 1 is equal to k plus 5. So k when I transpose here, that implies 2k minus k is equal to 5 minus 1. What is 2k minus k? It is 1k is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. So therefore k is equal to 4. Understood? Good. Let us go now. A passenger train. Yeah. Now let us come to uh, yeah. Let us come to applications and so see now since these are the application problems, I cannot uh, write it slantingly. So I want to turn off the camera and keep it normal. Okay. So if I keep it normal, it looks like this. So you will be able to see only my roof. So instead of that, I'll I'll just close my camera. Okay. Now a passenger train takes 2 hours less for a journey for 300 kilometers. Please try to understand. You're scared. Acha. Okay, I'll open it. So see the roof. A passenger train takes 2 hours less for a journey of 300 kilometers. So what is given here? 300 kilometers. Okay. So that means distance is equal to 300 kilometers. So what is given? So given distance is equal to 300 kilometers. Now, if its speed is increased by 5 kilometers, so what is the first condition? The time will be 2 hours less if the speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour. He has told that he has given the case. And now what does he tells? So find the usual speed of the find the usual speed of the train. So, my dear students, see if anybody is telling you the answer, please don't answer. Please don't try to explain him. Sir, should we write? Michelle is telling understand and write. So, wait. Anyway, I'll be saving this video. So, first listen. Okay. So, if you can write it running notes, where any important points if I tell you in between. Now, what did he ask us? He asked us to find the usual speed of the train. So let speed of the train. Let this is usual speed of the train is x kilometers per hour. Why did I take it hours? Because he has given in hours and the distance also he has given in kilometers. So now, okay. So what is the situation? What is the condition given over here? If if speed is increased by 5 kilometers per hour. So what is the case given? Speed. Uh, you can write increase or you can write increase in speed. So increase in speed. Okay. Speed increase is equal to 5 kilometers. So that means can I write it as x plus 5? X plus 5. Give me 1 second. Yeah, x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Now, after that, what happens? 2 hours less for a journey. So the time also has changed. So what is the new time? There is a decrease, right? So time decreased. How much? 2 hours. So can I write it as what is the decrease? Oh, so here you have to do one thing. After this step, After this step, you have to write we got distance and we got speed. So what is time? Usual time. After this step, you write usual time is equal to with distance is equal to speed into time, right? So time is equal to distance by speed. So what is distance? Distance is equal to 300 kilometers and divided by speed is x. Okay. So now usual time is 300 by x. But now in this case, what happened to speed? Speed has decreased by 2 hours. So that means it is 300 by x minus 2. Got it? So that is equal to, if I take LCM, it will be 300 minus 2x divided by x hours. Now we know that distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So what is distance? Distance is 300. And what is speed? This is the new speed. We have to take new speed. X plus 5. Okay. And what is the time? Time is 300 minus 2x divided by x. Okay. So now let us solve this. That implies 300 equals x plus 5 multiplied by 300 minus 2x divided by x. Is it clear till now? Are you are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Good. Now, now when I transpose this x, what happens? It is 300x equals x plus 5 into 300 minus 2x. Transpose x. When x I transpose x into 300 minus 2x plus 5 into 300 minus 2x. That implies 300x is equal to, now x into 300 is 300x minus x into 2x 2x square plus 5 into 300 1500 minus 5 into 2x 10x. Who is that? Mehrab. Mehrab, see beta, it is very simple. Here, here d is equal to distance is equal to speed into time, right beta? Distance is equal to speed into time. So what is the distance? Distance is 300. And what is speed? We are taking about the new conditions. So speed is x plus 5. And what is time? Time is 300 minus 2x by x. Okay. So we are just simplifying from that step. So that implies 300 and x. Oh, sorry. No need of writing this because let me tell you one thing here. 300 and x and 300 and x becomes, they gets cancelled. 0. Okay. So 0 is equal to minus 2x square minus 10x plus 1500. Now I can see there is two common everywhere. And if I transpose right hand side to left hand side and left hand side to right hand side, minus 2x square will become 2x square. Minus 10x will become plus 10x. And plus 1500 will become minus 1500 is equal to 0. If I take 2 common, it is x square plus 5x minus 1500, I think 750 is equal to 0. Give me 1 second. बेटा यहीं है। बेटा ये लगा दो चार्जिंग। So या अब 750 और 750 का उसका नाम 750 का हो गया उसका इंतजार करो 1 मिनट ये प्रॉब्लम समझने के बाद 750 के जब ये करते हैं सो टू हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 3 टाइम्स 15 में 7 टाइम्स 10 में 5 टाइम्स 375 अब 375 में 3 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 1 2 15 में 5 टाइम्स अब इसमें 5 25 टाइम्स और 25 में 5 5 25 अब देखो ये पूरे प्राइम नंबर्स हैं बीच में 5 आना है so the middle term should be 5 so middle term 5 बोले तो 5 5s are 25 ये देखो 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15 and 15 into 2 is 30 so yeah 30 that means 30 into 25 is equal to 750 and 30 minus 25 is equal to 5 so can I write yes I can write the middle term as x square plus 30x minus 25x minus 750 is equal to 0 implies इसमें x कॉमन लिए तो x plus 30 और इसमें minus 25 कॉमन लिए तो it is also x plus 30 is equal to 0 अब implies x plus 30 अगर कॉमन लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा x plus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0 so let me write in the next step we got x plus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0 and when the product is equal to 0 x plus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0 so that implies x is equal to minus 30 comma 25 so what is x हमने लिया है speed of the train so speed of the train cannot be negative since speed cannot be negative usual speed of train usual speed of train is equal to 25 kilometers per hour so that's good Michelle yes Saad I have seen you have done the answer Mehrab good so now try to understand this very good mashallah you people have done so you can see it so let us go to the next question and so within 1 minute I'll give you 1 minute try to please go through it okay so until I'll take care of other students yes beta बताओ क्या है तुम लोगों का लिखो तुम भी कर लिया हाँ इट्स फाइन बेटे यहाँ एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं है ना आप लोगों को 7 फिर मल्टीप्लाई क्यों नहीं करे see suppose for example 3 by 7 multiplied by minus 2 by 5 when you multiply numerator to numerator and multiply denominator to denominator so 3 into minus 2 divided by 7 into 5 what is 3 into minus 2 minus 6 and 3 and 5 are 35 khalas this is the answer see plus into plus into minus 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 into plus minus plus into plus plus minus into minus plus khalas तो चलो ये प्रॉब्लम्स करो once you're oh today we are going to do that and after that after doing those problems then I will send you okay don't worry chalo I'll explain it first you do all these things and let us do division rates yes hey mashallah you got the speed is it by doing yourself or using Google मेरा सलमान अच्छा, मेहराब बाबा, बांग्लादेश जाना पता। ओके, ट्रेन ड्राइवर से पूछने हैं, बांग्लादेश जाना। अच्छा, Michelle, that's good that you have done by yourself. So see. Let me see how to do this problem. I don't know. Speed of boat in still water is 11 kilometers. It can go 12 kilometers upstream and return downstream to the original point in 2 hours, 45 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Okay, speed of the boat in still water is 11 kilometers per hour. Okay, find the speed of the stream. Okay, fine. So speed of that. So let see in jahan se shuru kara, let us start over there. Find the speed of the stream. Let speed of stream is equal to x kilometers per hour. Okay. See, suppose let us say stream is going this way, and Mehrab is rowing his boat. Okay. So let us say Mehrab is here rowing the boat. If he is going in opposite direction, what happens? The speed of the stream, what it will do? It will it will push him back. So let us say this is 10 kilometers per hour, and let us say he is x kilometers per hour or 20 kilometers per hour. तो क्या हो जाएगा? So it reduces the speed, right? So that since he is having more speed, okay, ये क्या हो जाएगा उसका? इसका स्पीड क्या हो जाएगा? 20 - 10, तो 10 kilometers per hour जाएगा. So he can go only with 10 kilometers per hour in upstreams. Okay, good. And so this is the stream. The speed of the stream is 10 kilometers per hour, and Mehrab also is going. Where is Mehrab? Mehrab, it is drawing. It is very difficult. Yeah. So Mehrab is also going this way with 20 kilometers. So since they are going in both direction, in the same direction, what happens? The resultant speed will be 10 plus 20. That is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. So this is the concept. Now, sir, since he has not given the speed of the boat, should it be less than the speed of the stream or greater than? Can anybody give me the answer? Can anybody give me the answer? Yeah, greater. Salman, greater. Yes, that's why listen properly, my dear Prithvi. So, because since if it is greater, then only it will go to upstream and come back. And if it is less than 10, if it is less than 10, he never go upstream. So that's the reason we have to understand that speed of the boat is more than the speed of the what is that called as speed of the string. What happened to this? Give me 1 second. Yeah. Now, speed of the stream is x kilometers, and the speed of the boat is in still water is 11 kilometers. तो इसका मतलब speed of the stream 11 से कम है. Now, can anybody tell me speed of boat upstream? Michelle, these are similar questions for exam, right? Yes, Michelle. They are very important questions. So can anybody tell me speed of boat upstream? Is it x minus 11 or 11 minus x? Yes, very good. It is 11 minus x because speed of the boat is greater than speed of the stream. Okay. So 11 minus x, that's good. Now, speed of boat downstream. What will be speed of the boat downstream? Prithvi, how means what? Bache, if the speed of boat is greater, then then only it can go up. Otherwise, it cannot go upstream, right? So that means it is evident that speed of the stream is less than the boat. That's why it went up and came down. So very good. Downstream is 11 plus x, 11 plus 6 kilometers per hour. That is good. So now it can go 12 kilometers upstream and return downstream to the original point in 2 hours 45 minutes. So what is time taken? Time taken upstream. Time taken upstream is, so here one more point I have to write. You write it somewhere. So distance is equal to how much? 12 kilometers. It can go 12 kilometer upstream, okay, and return downstream. So time taken for upstream is equal to how much? Time taken is equal to distance by speed, right? So distance by speed. What is distance, my dear students? Distance is 12 kilometers. And what is upstream speed? 11 minus x hours. And everybody understood? Time taken downstream. Time taken downstream is equal to same distance by speed. Distance downstream also 12. And what is speed? Speed is 11 plus x hours. So now he has given total time is equal to total time is equal to 2 hours 45 minutes. So 2 hours 45 minutes. So that means this this plus this is equal to 2 hours 45 minutes. So let us add it now. So let us add it. What is the previous one? So 12 by 11 minus x, that implies 12 by 11 minus x plus plus 12 by 11 plus x. 12 by 11 plus x is equal to 2 hours 45 minutes. See here one interesting part. So everything is in hours. So we have to change this 45 minutes also into hours. So how will you change? 2 hours 45 divided by 60 minutes. Is it right? So can we write it as 3 by 4? So that means 2 3 by 4 hours. So it is 2 3 by 4 hours. So that implies now 11 minus x into 11 plus x. Denominators are different. So multiply, take LCM. How to take LCM, my dear students? So LCM is cross multiply these two and multiply. So 12 into 11 plus x plus 12 into 11 minus x divided by 11 minus x into 11 minus x. Is it in the form of a minus b into a plus b? So a square minus b square is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4. So that is equal to, so if I take 12 common, 11 plus x plus 11 minus x divided by 11 square is 121 minus x square is equal to 11 divided by 4. Minus plus x minus x cancel. So it is 12 into 11 plus 11 is 22 divided by 121 minus x square is equal to 11 by 4. Now you have uh, Now you have only single terms. So what can I do? Can I cancel these things? 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 20. So what is left out? 12 twos are 24 divided by 121 minus x square is equal to 1 by 4. Now cross multiply. What happens? Let us find out. That implies 24 into 4 equals 121 minus x square. That implies what is 24 into 4? 4 fours are 16 and 4 twos are 8, 96. 96 is equal to 121 minus x square. X square is negative. I try to bring it down. X square is equal to 121 minus 96. Can anybody tell me what is 121 minus 96? Is it 25? Oh, mashallah. X is equal to square root of 25. So square root of 25 can be plus or minus 5. So what is x we have taken? X we have taken speed of stream. So speed of stream cannot be negative. So since speed cannot be negative, therefore speed of stream is equal to 5 kilometers per hour. Got it, my dear students? So very important question here. Very important question. So please take care. Okay. So I hope everybody understood. Are you still there or tired? It's already anyone tired? No, right? So good. So shall we? Shall we go to the next problem? Good. Okay, half off. Okay, Prithvi, keep that half for the last 2 or 3 problems. Important problems coming. Okay, let us see what are the important problems coming there. Two taps running together can fill a tank in 3 and 1 by 13 hours. If one tap takes 3 hours more than the other to fill the tank, then how much time will each tap take to fill the tank? Students have taken these questions, very important questions. Okay, so please bear with me. I know, uh, I know we are going hard on the problems. So, but please bear with me, okay? Because these are very important problems. So, two tabs running together. Here we have to take care of together. Shall I go for the explanation or wait for 30 seconds? Students, shall I wait for 30 seconds or shall I? Yeah, 2 minutes. Michelle, sir, wait. Okay. Let me do it. So it is hard to understand this question. Okay, Mehrab. Okay, fine. So I'll wait for. No, I didn't tell because to wait for doing it. So since you are sitting for a long time, so I thought of giving you a break of 1 minute or so, so that you can stand up and relax yourself. Okay, I will also relax. It is good students here, mashallah. It is hard to understand these questions. See, whoever feels, so it is hard to understand these questions. I'll tell you a simple tip. Read the question 5 times and try to translate it in your language. Okay, whatever it is, whether it is Urdu or Tamil or Hindi or Malayalam, whatever it is, try to understand these questions. When you first look into these questions, it looks scary. Yes, that's what I told. So scary things, see, scary things, if you see once, you will get scared. But if you repeat the same, you will not feel it. Okay. See, suppose if you see any scary film, for the first time you may feel very scared. Okay. Sir, are we supposed to use the volume formula for this question? No. No, Murtaza. Who is this? Murtaza? Sorry, I didn't. I don't know who is this. Anyways, You should not use any formula or something volume. No need of any volume. Thank you, Salman. Are Murtaza, you are from grade 9 and why are you attending it? Go and enjoy one more year. That means, Salman, you are having lunch. Okay. Beta, give me your address. I will come there. हाँ कोई काम दाम नहीं है अरे मेहराब काम दाम नहीं है इसको जो है तुम ट्रांसलेट करे तो जॉबलेस हो गया यार अस्तगफुरुल्लाह the time taken for the first time to fill the tanks yes very good sir he finished 9th grade NCERT textbook questions and now he is doing 10th grade NCERT questions very good mashallah that's very good enjoy and somebody has to share the link in Canon I think so I couldn't see anybody except who is that Prithvi when one tap takes 3 hours more than the other. Okay, good. Then, then. Shall I? Allah. चल बेटा बच्चे चलो चलो हाँ two tabs running together can fill a tank in 3 and 1 by 13 hours. Okay, good. If one tap takes 3 hours more than the other, are you there, my dear students? 5 hours and 8 hours. So you go to English. Okay. Let us see, Michelle. So give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Why the video is not playing in my phone? Okay, fine. It's now playing. I'm checking the charts in my phone. Okay. Yeah. Now let us go. Two taps running together can fill a tank in 3 1 by 13 hours. If one tap takes 3 hours more than the other, it is 3 hours more than the other. Okay. Now, how much time will each tap take fill to fill the tank? Okay. Now, let time taken time taken by one tap for filling. Okay, to fill that means separately x hours. Okay, and time taken by second tap to fill alone. Okay, is equal to x plus 3 hours. Now, here if it is, see for example, um, there is a tank. Okay, it takes 5 hours to fill this tank. So that means equal because equal speed, equal volume will flow out. So it is 5 hours. So in 1 hour, can anybody tell me how much of the part is filled? Why this? I'm unable to see the. Where is this here? where it will come. Yeah. Yes. Sorry, I'm unable to see in phone. Let me check. Very no, Mehrab. See, suppose if it is taking 5 hours to complete, so if it is taking 5 hours to complete, so how much it will fill in 1 hour? It can fill in 1 hour 1/5, right? See, 1/5 part, 1/5 part of the tank. So now let us take the same thing, time taken by first tap to fill in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x part. Okay, not time taken here, sorry. Uh, first tap to fill in 1 hour. Any amount of water, amount that first tap fill in 1 hour. So now amount that second tap fill in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x plus 3. Okay. Now see, by combining, what is the how much time it takes when combined or together, the two taps can fill, the two taps fill in 3 1 by 13 hours. So 3 1 by 13 means 13 threes are 39 and 40 by 13 hours. So, so together in 1 hour, they can fill 1 by 13th part. So that means 13 by 40. So that implies 1 by x plus x plus 3 is equal to 13 by 40. Okay. So let me do it. So that implies, so we have to take LCM, right? Let us take LCM. X plus 3 plus x divided by x into x plus 3 is equal to 13 by 40. That implies 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x is equal to 13 by 40. Now let us transpose. Students, you cannot cancel 3 and 3. Okay. So when I transpose 40 into 2x, hello, J, acha, why? Oh, मेरा मस yes, 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 yes. Let me, oh, okay. एक मिनट, अब देख सक रहे हैं? Yeah, okay. Yeah, fine, 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 fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Charging लगा रहे थे, charging लगा. Hmm. See, time taken by one tap is equal to x, right? So time taken by second tab is equal to x plus 3 because he has given that 3 hours more than the other. Now, see, first tab can fill in, let us say 5 hours. So, what part of the tank it can fill in 1 hour? Because in 5 hours it will be 5 parts. It will be 1 by 5, right, in 1 hour. In the same way, how much part of the tank it can fill in 1 hour first tab? 1 by x. If we take the same concept, so amount that second tab can fill in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x plus 3. Now, when together, the two tabs will fill in 1 by 13 hours. So if I change it, 13 3s are 39 plus 1, 40. So this is 40 by 13 hours. So together they can fill in 1 hour. How much they can fill in 1 hour? 1 by 40 by 13. It means 13 by 40. When you have fraction in denominator, it gets reciprocal. 13 by 40. So now it has been given that together they can fill in 3 by 13. So let us add in 1 hour how much they can fill. The first tab can fill 1 by x, 1 by x part. The second part can fill 1 by x plus 3. And when we add combined, they can fill 13 by 40. Understood? So I think this you understood. So when I take LCM, it will be, yes. Now it will be, you take LCM of that and transpose it. So 40 into 2x is 8x plus 40 into 3, 120. Now 13 into x square, it is 13x square plus 13 into 3, 39x. Transpose all the left hand side to right hand side. So 13x square plus 39x, and now minus 8x minus 120 is equal to 0. That implies 13x square plus 13x minus 120 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 13 into 120, since the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is 13. So let us prime factorize. So it is 13 into minus 120. So 120 it can be written as 34s. And 30 I can write it as 15 twos. This is 15, I can write it as 3 fives. So prime number. And 4 I can write it as 2 into 2. See, all this thing, if I do, I have to get adding or subtracting. 13 or 31. The real term is 31. So how can I do it? 13 to the 26, 26 to the 52. 52 minus 30, it will not work out. Then 15. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. No, 104 will not work. 13 to the 26. 26 minus 30 will not work. What are the 13? Oh, here one more 13 is also right. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 22 are 40, 13 3s are 39. 39, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 40. No, 53 is my 120. 13 to is 26. 5 are 15, 15 2s are 30, 32 are 6. Student, anybody got the prime factorization of this? Very good, yaar. Murtaza Ravi, Razvi, you can use this formula. Yes, you are right. So now let us do b square minus 4ac. Goodbye. So what is discriminant? Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So that is equal to 31 square minus 4 into 13 into minus 120. So what is 31 square? Can anybody tell me what is 31 square? What is 31 square? Did anybody find out? Is it 900? And there I am not able to see the comments. Where are the comments? Oh, 961. Thank you. Now I can see. Yes, 961. Minus into minus plus. And 124s are 480. Come on, somebody do 480 into 13. 480 into 13. 6,240. Is it right? 124s are 480. 480 into 13. 480 into 13, how much? 6,240. Now 6,240 plus 961. How much you got? 7,201. One beta. You have missed one. So is there any is there any square root of this one? Square root of 7,201. No. Then we are doing some mistake. Let me check this answer. Let me check whether we have done it or not. 13 3 to 39 plus 140, 40 by 13. And 1 by 40 by 13 hours. 13 by 40. Okay. So it is x plus 3 plus x into x plus 3. X plus 3 plus x. What is x actually? Time taken. Oh, 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3x is equal to 13 by 40. Did I do any mistake? Can you please check, my dear students? 13x square. What mistake I have done? That is the mistake that I have done. Find out. Here I have students, you people are not attentive. Are you there with me? Are you there with me? Here, yes, you are there. Students, we have done one mistake over here. See, where is that? 40 into 2 is 80x, yeah. It is 80x. Okay, when I take 80x over here, it is not 80 minus 39 is 41. Okay, So it is 41 square. Now please find out what is 41 square. Students, please find out 41 square. What is 41 square? I need the answer. Please make it fast. 41 square. 1681. Okay, good. Now 1681. Now 1681 plus 6240. Please do it fast. We're running out of time. 1681 plus 6240. How much? 1, 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 7, 9, 2, 1. So can somebody find out what square root of what is the answer? 7921. 7921. It is. Can anybody tell me the answer? I'm not able to. 89. Thank you, Michelle. So therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is equal to what is b? What is b? B is 41 minus 41 plus or minus what is square root of 7921? You said 89, right? And it is 13. So minus 41 plus or minus 89 divided by 26. That is equal to what is, so negative, what is x actually? What is x? What is x? X is time taken to fill the data. So minus 41 plus 89 divided by 26. What is the answer? What is the answer? It is minus 41, minus 41. So it is plus 41. So that is equal to plus 41 plus 89. What is plus 41? It is 10 and 130 divided by 26. What is 130 divided by 26? 5. So therefore, time taken by one tap is equal to time taken by tap is equal to 5 hours. And second tap, it is 8 hours. So the calculation mistake has done. Therefore, it took time. So minus 80 plus 39, it is minus 41. There we have done wrong. Okay, so it is minus 41 whole square. So, okay, it's Azan time. So let's stop and I'll save this. Understood? Please go through it and repeat the problems. Okay, these are all previous board examination problems. Okay, so please go through it. Yeah, prayer break, yes. And inshallah, inshallah we'll do it later. Okay, I'll send you a message. Now I have another class, so I have to take another class and I'll come back to you. Prayer duty. Thank you, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum.